Hello, YouTube world. For those of you tuning in, all one of you, if there's even one, welcome to Monday Madness. We're mad. It's Monday. Where's Friday? Anyway, and my guest over there, Zolan the raccoon.
Heyo.
His head is bouncing around like a crazy person, but that is okay.
There we go.
Let's see, and there is Shane with 25 people watching. Vikings over there, Jekyll's over there, Travis is over there.
Yep.
Oh, probably should send some links out, huh?
So, oh, you don't have it. Okay.
What? Oh, the drone thing? There.
That is the drone in my hand. I'm moving it around.
That's cool. I'll give you that. Now you just got to be able to program auto flight.
This one doesn't have GPS. That is eventually going to be a goal, though.
That'd be cool. Auto programmable flight where you can send it outside and just let it go do stuff like check on your pond or something.
Exactly, actually.
I gotta get this crap in the mail to the winner of those samples.
Yeah, I still got to get this one out to SPC.
Right.
Maybe tomorrow because my boss won't be. He's taking tomorrow off.
I wish my boss would take a day or two off.
He's actually taking the rest of the week off, but I had to set up a new iPad for him so he could check in.
That's funny. Where is my set of people?
Yeah, see, I have no clue what I'm doing in any of this.
Well, that's normal.
Yeah. Oh, hey, I wonder if I can... I don't have the battery plugged in, so I don't think this will work, but...
Oh, I have my little battery, my case printed, at least half of it.
That's good. Nice.
And then the batteries don't fit in the freaking case.
Oh, awesome. I don't have to have the actual battery plugged in order to manipulate it with the controller.
What's funny is, this case, the batteries don't fit in the slots. Oh, that's funny.
So that is actually me controlling the flight controller with my remote.
Nice.
So now I just got to figure out.
I have to figure out how to get these batteries to be in here with the drone.
Oh yeah, that'll be an issue.
I might have to pull this into Fusion and redesign it a little bit. Just extrude them out. That'd be easy. I could do that in 2 minutes.
I'm tempted to model up. Well, of course, you can't see me when I'm doing that.
Right.
I'm tempted to. What is with my centering? I am tempted to. I'm too close. That's what's.
There's the comments.
There we go.
What's up, Viking non-fam Jekyll?
Oh, hey, people! Yay!
It went okay, Viking. It was not an amazing day. I'm gonna pop out, pop back in. Hope that comments work.
Okay. Hi. I'm a trash panda. Sure. That's my beta flight software.
It's weird. Comments aren't working.
There we go.
What the hell? Wonder if StreamYard's having massive issues.
Yeah, it might be because I don't see any comments either.
Okay. Yeah, StreamYard must be having issues. I'll pull the top chat out and my account, make sure everything looks good.
Pause that video because I don't want it actually playing. Oh yeah, I just saw a whole bunch of chatter in the actual chat. Pop out. Yeah, that's a little better. So there was a more of a draw.
It took a sec. There, now it's finally YouTube. No one wants to talk, right, Vince?
Well, that's possible.
Here's the link for those of you crazy people in chat if you'd like to join us, ramblers.
Yep. Now let me grab this.
I might pull this into Fusion really quick. Screw it. Oh. Where's my Fusion? Hi, Vince.
Oh,
Vince.
Greg logged off. Darn.
Oh, denied. It happens. I sent one to Marcel, so we'll see. Come on, Where's Fusion? Robbie Mac. What is Sir Mac-a-Lot up to?
So that was the main reason I didn't want to host, is because I know I might drop out of here in 20 so minutes. So other people should join in. You know.
Yeah. Well, yeah, or they can just watch me talk to myself. That's
so
useful.
I know I want this set.
Oh, we've got an interesting guy here. What's up, Viking?
Hey, Viking.
Hi, guys.
Stormy out there, huh, Robbie Mac? Just stand outside, fly a kite. You know, you can run a printer or two with that power, right? Let's see. What's Viking up to this morning?
This night?
Morning, night, evening, whatever.
Yeah, whatever. Not much. I put a print on just a few minutes ago.
I've got prints on too.
Yeah, a Flexi Gecko or something.
Nice.
A chameleon, probably. Yeah.
I'm going to need to... what's the words I'm looking for? I need to remodel this drone body because the ducks are actually too small for the props that are in it.
Oof.
Oh, yeah. Fun.
Right. Chat is definitely delayed because I see more chat on YouTube. Yeah, I'm going to have to move the chat over, and that's just going to be how it is.
I always pop out YouTube chat because I don't want to delay.
Well,
exactly.
Yeah.
That's what I do as well, but sometimes you want to put the comments up in the video, and the only way to do that is through StreamYard, but I literally only see one comment in the StreamYard chat, and it is Justin putting up the link.
That's odd.
It was like that a few days ago as well, I think.
Okay.
Very odd. I
don't even know what everything this drone supports.
And it won't even show me how many people are watching. There must be some StreamYard problems.
Yeah. Some issues.
So that one works.
Oh, yeah, Viking today was okay. You
still have a job by the sounds of it.
I still have a job. I did not quit as much as I wanted to.
Yeah.
But I definitely did not work as hard as I normally do. I was definitely intentionally running slower.
Yeah.
Which is fine because I've got more time to kill, so I might as well run slower. Right?
Yeah.
Screw them.
No more pay.
No more money. No extra money. That's the problem. You know, I'd be fine with it, but you know, they don't pay parts people worth of crap. So I'm in Fusion trying to make this case, just change a couple things on it, and it's got too many facets before I can convert it from an STL over.
Oh.
And I don't, without moving it over, I don't know enough about Fusion.
Yeah, I never had an issue with that exact thing.
Here, I'll share my screen for anyone who's in chat. That might be able to help me along. All right, so I go my mesh to B-rep and new body, and there's 60,000 facets. I have no idea how to lower the amount of facets.
Google search.
Someone do a Google search.
That's what I'm doing now.
Let's see, Fusion 360 mesh to B-rep. Too many facets. There we are. Okay, right click, create base feature. insert OBJ, right click on mesh, do edit, and reduce. I don't know if that's available. Mesh, modify, delete. Ooh, that might help.
Hey, Steven.
Nope, that didn't help. Hey, Lightspeed. Mesh environment and reduce. How do I do that? Oh, right there. Nice. Reduce. And now, yeah. Face count. Okay, so what the heck?
Okay. So the camera does not work unless the battery's actually
It's
plugged
all
in.
red.
Oh.
Good to know.
Let's go density. Nope, that won't work.
10,000.
Yeah, I tried that. It's red. See?
Even new
It
computer.
just, huh?
Yeah.
New computer. I just built this computer. Freaking guy.
What specs was it again?
Ryzen 5 2600X, 64 gigabytes of RAM. What's the video card? Red Devil 5700 XT.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, decent
9,000
specs.
and preserved boundaries. Okay. It's still red. Here, let me make it a little
it
easier
turns
for
red
everyone to
before.
see.
It turns red at 10, didn't it?
Yeah. Here. Make
Have
it
you
a little
selected
easier
the
for
correct-
everyone on stream to see.
Have you selected the correct body or
Yeah.
component?
I mean, it's the only body I have.
Yeah. Yeah. I never used that exact feature before, so I don't know.
Right. Well, let's do this. No.
No, that's what I'm thinking, Steven.
It's not selected. How do I select? Oh,
Selected in the menu, left menu, or
that's
like
how.
that, or like
That's
that.
probably why.
Yeah.
There you are.
Here we go.
Previewing. See if that helps. And then solid, right click. And yeah, perfect. Thanks, Lightspeed. And now I can go and make an absolute mess because, crap, wrong screen. Front. I always like to delete these because they are freaking useless. Now replace face and eliminate triangles. How do I do that, Monkey? Oh, now I just go in and manually delete them. Is there a way to do it faster? Modify. Oh, replace face. Nice. I'm learning. Yeah, replace face. Oh, crap. Hold on. Let's see. Replace face. So, triangle, triangle. Yep. Then target. Select one. The faces could not be replaced. Oh, touching. That makes sense. Still wouldn't do it.
They don't like to be touched.
The chat just got up on StreamYards for me.
Mm-hmm.
Useless. I'll just do it manually. Do the other side of the model. All right. Let me go home. Modify, replace face.
Hey, Michael.
Hey, Michael. Oh, I just need to really do it on the other side. I'm not gonna. It's almost faster just to delete what I don't need. Go in and just delete the faces. Once it freezes my computer, that's good too.
Yeah, you need a new computer.
Hey, I need a better processor. Oh, that did not work.
That CPU is decent enough.
It's a good CPU, but
Yeah.
No, I want to get a 3900 X. I don't need the XT because there's not a big jump. But if I do something like that,
Then you have enough cores.
Then I have enough RAM. That's fine. But it's the motherboard, I'm not 100% sure. I mean, it can handle it. It's a Asus ROG B450F, but realistically, I should be buying the new 570, even though this will handle the 3rd gen. So, I don't know. Is it worth spending?
The B series isn't the best chipset.
No, it's not. I've already blown through one. If I do another one, it's going to be the 570.
Yeah, I have the 470.
Just for the future, future proofing with the PCI 4.
Yeah.
But it's going to be expensive. Yes, Michael, you have to upgrade your PC. I offered to help. All right, let's see. So realistically, I only need to really go in and do some extrusions around here.
That's what she said.
Not to you. Let's see. Oh, geez, this is going to take forever. Where's my view? There we go. Oh, that's a little easier. And then select.
What was that a case for again?
This is a case for my little mini micro drone. This little drone.
Yeah.
And the only downside is, if you look, I should probably just get rid of my screen share for a sec. If you look, I got these bigger batteries. They don't truly fit in the slot. I don't even know if it's not even the factory battery fits in the slot. Someone fucked up.
Yeah.
Let's see, go back to chat. So realistically, I have to pull my chamfers off.
Yeah, it's always nice to get an upgrade.
Right. This is going to take forever. Jesus. Well, now I wonder, hold on. Let's go. Oh, wrong way. -2.
Try the replace face again.
Yeah. So go here. Oh, crap. Wrong button.
No, feel it. You don't need that now.
Let's see. So we'll go face, face, face. Nope. For edit face. Buttram! Welcome to Mayhem. Monday Mayhem.
Hey, Ron.
Ron?
Ryan.
Oh, Ryan. Sorry, I heard Ron. I may just be better off designing my own damn case. This is going to take forever. There's got to be an easier way.
Yeah, getting the replace face tool to work.
Replace one of our. Okay, so let's do this. Let's go here, here, here. Nope. Well, son of a...
Try again. You don't need to close the tool for each time, just remove the faces you have selected.
Huh. My chat is way behind some things. Let's try this. How do you do that? Let's see. Delete the extra faces.
Oh, yeah. Hey,
Techniac. Not exactly sure who that is. Welcome to Monday Madness. You are welcome to join.
I saw that name earlier.
Yeah.
I should know who that is, and I cannot remember now.
Who is that? I'm going to have to look this up. Now it's interesting. Techniac. There he is, right on Twitter. Built things that hack the pandemic and MAMK Robotics. He's a cyberspace. Let's see. Huh. I am not exactly sure what he does. Asan on Twitter. Nice. Welcome to... Yeah, deleting faces definitely doesn't work well. The problem is I need to extrude this down just more. I don't care if it intersects with the actual other faces, but I need the space for these batteries.
Apparently they do robotics.
Mm-hmm. That's cool. Followed by Devin. That someone knows. There you go. That would explain it. You know? Well, I wonder. I don't know. I'm gonna have to play around with it or make my own. Hit E. Yeah, click this face. E. Sorry, having issues. There we go. So I want to go down. So I'm gonna go negative. I don't know, 5. Nope, more. Let's go 10. Is 10 gonna be enough? Oh, 10 would be more than enough. Okay.
Hit E and click that face.
Yeah. Yep. I'm reading. I did. Hey, there's your guy.
Hey, Greg. I'm lost.
He needs help. Here's a link.
I'm currently watching a video on Betaflight, specifically for the QX70. I'm not getting any telemetry. Well, I'm getting basic telemetry, but I'm not getting anything. Like my OSD doesn't work.
Okay, a sketch on the face facing us.
Ah, okay. So that's what I'm missing.
Oh, there he is.
Hey, Greg.
Hey,
Sketch.
Hey, Greg in the stream.
I can hear you. I can't see it, but that's okay.
Yeah, I think I figured out the problem. I'm not using OBS.
Ah.
I gotta just use crappy old FaceTime.
Right.
That's
you're on your phone.
Well, I'm on my Mac, but same difference. Super low quality.
Right.
I think I just figured it out. I found somebody LEGBA FPV's got a video on setting up Betaflight 3.1, but I knew I was missing some of the port stuff that I needed to enable.
Okay.
So UART1, and he's got Serial RX enabled on UART2. Save and reboot.
What's going on, guys?
Oh, he's not much. Trying to break things.
He's trying to get his
Is it like a briefcase?
Yeah, for
it's
a drone.
It's a drone case.
Oh, sweet. Oh, for
But
like
for this tiny little Eachine E010, but the problem is the holes for the battery are too small. So I'm trying to modify.
Yeah, make it a little wider.
Yeah, it's not happening quickly.
I could do that pretty fast on OpenSCAD.
You want me to send you the thing? Want to have some fun?
Sure, why not?
All right. Well, then I'm getting out of this.
Well, hey, and then he could share his screen, and we could see how to
do
this
you
in
guys
OpenSCAD.
hack away at OpenSCAD. That's what I use.
Me get out of Fusion and send you the link to. I'll just drop the link in. I'll just drop it in chat. Screw it.
Yeah, why not?
There. I gotta give you, and ratings are really plummeting. Yes, they are. Thanks, Monkey. Yeah. Ratings are already always plummeting for me. It's not like the 200 that we got.
I just noticed Vikings like Zolan now.
Right?
Did he fall asleep?
Yeah, he did. Now, it's not like the 200 likes we got Riley yesterday. That was fun.
All right, you said you dropped it in. Oh, I see it now.
Yeah, and it's just the bottom part. What printer do you... So, Technic, Zeribo 420 SKR with the Mosquito, Bondtech, blah, blah, blah. MK3 with an SKR and then Bear extruder. Basically stock MK3 minus a Bondtech. And then over here is what everyone hates. This is the one everyone hates me for, is a Raise 3D and 2+ dual. And
we don't hate you.
There is some hatred going on with that one.
It's not because of the race, you know.
Right. Sorry, I'm trying to fix the camera after that move. What the heck is going on here? Hold on. That'll work. Hi, Renee.
Where's Bob?
Welcome to Insight. I don't know. I'm getting to think he doesn't like me, which is fine. I'm not a likable person. I am a complete asshole.
Hey, that's my job.
You should see me at work. Sometimes I feel bad, but then I get home and I'm perfectly happy.
Yeah.
Here's the bad thing, Greg. Here's my charger for this tiny drone.
Hey, Bob.
They're just the 35C lipos. They're nothing.
Yeah.
You know. And then of course I got one of the big freaking lipo bags because why for future use.
They're definitely good to have around.
Yeah. Not for these little things. If they pop, what's going to happen? A little smoke, and I've had worse. Let's see. Yeah, I wish I had a Prusa XL. It's either going to eventually the Raise is going to get replaced by a Prusa XL or a Voron 2.4.
What do you mean?
Or I don't have the space for something like that. The Raise is already massive. Even if I build the Voron 350 by 350 by 600, it's huge.
Yeah.
Which, I mean, that would be what I would build it, but it would be just ridiculous.
How much bigger do you need those holes?
Let me do a measurement here. Hold on. Let me grab my micrometer. Shut up, Zolan. Where's John Mack?
Whoa. Current sensor. I don't see these settings.
So, hold on. Get a 0 out on my micrometer. Maybe I would say 5 millimeters. Let me see. Hold on.
Yeah, just give me the total depth or the total.
So they're 8.12, so 9 or 9 or 10 total.
Okay.
He's
I'll
all
just saying,
excited.
just to be safe.
Wow, Renee. I'll put Renee in timeout.
Is the depth about right?
The
Jerry?
so it needs just the depth. Let me see. Yeah, the depth is fine. It's the width.
So okay, so they're about what's the dimensions of it of your head?
8.13 is how wide the batteries are.
I thought he was going to share out SCAD so we could see what it looked like.
Oh yeah.
I'm working on it. What's the
Okay.
so it's 8.13 by
hold on, let me
what?
hold on. Let me see.
Are you on the red team or blue team?
8.13 by hold on. The other way is
Keeps, like, targeting.
617. So
Okay.
where it's at now, it's about 20. So that's fine. I don't mind having a little extra space. And I
Okay.
can take this little thing to work. What's up, Jerry? I got to get you a wrench.
Yeah, give me a second. Okay, so I think I've got it here. I'll go ahead and share, and I'll show you what I'm doing.
Oh,
Although,
you just
let me make sure this.
Yeah,
oh, how sad.
3D printing and fading is also Jerry.
Really quick hack here.
Wait, there's 2 Jerrys?
Yeah, I guess Techniac also is a Jerry.
Techniac, who are you besides just hanging out? Don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate it.
Oh, I just
We do this insanity way too much.
All right.
I will wrench you, Jekyll. You deserve a wrench and a link.
Hey, Jekyll.
Wrench and a link.
Oh, I don't think
Or
I
a
can.
wrench.
I can share the model, but I can't share my code. But you guys probably don't
Can't-
care what my code looks like. Do
You're
you?
good.
All right, so I've got it imported.
Nice.
So now what I'm going to do is move it over a little bit. So you can see that hole that I just kind of have sitting there.
Yeah.
And that's my cutout. So let me try going left a little bit. Nope, wrong left. I have it oriented wrong, so I got to rotate that a little bit.
We're entertaining tonight with CAD.
Yeah.
I'm not usually that entertaining. Yeah, Renee, go ahead and unsubscribe. I'll take one less.
All right.
You're one of Mad Monkey Makes friends. Nice.
I think I accidentally erased your dimensions, but I think I can kind of figure this out just by looking at it. Okay, we're getting closer. Oh, too much. Okay, all right. Oh, I see. It lifts up right there. Let me give it a little height. All right, we're getting closer. I just kind of play it by ear.
Right?
I wish I could show you guys the code. But I'll show it to you in a minute. Okay, so I'm in
You're
the
going to have to do an OpenSCAD tutorial. Jekyll and Buttram are like, need to learn. I have an idea of how it works, but it can be very frustrating.
Let me just share my whole desktop because that would be easier.
Nothing important on there anyway, right?
Not really, no. Let's see if I can figure out how to. All right, share screen. I'll do my entire screen. All right. There we go. Okay. Get the little bit of the crazy effect there. So all I'm doing is I've imported it with this command, and then I'm using a difference, and I'm using translate. So I'm kind of moving. Translate moves it around the plane. So this is your x-axis here. I'm gonna back it out a little bit. So that's your x, and that's your y. So I'm in the negative side of the x, and I'm right about here. So now, and this is my box. So I've created a box, and I'm just going to make it bigger, basically. So I could go, let's go 10 by 30 and see what that does. You can't really see it yet. I'll make it really big here so you can see it. Maybe. Yeah, that's not right. I think I went the wrong direction. Sometimes it helps to move it out of the difference. Here we go. So that's right in the middle. So I went the wrong way. I just went up instead of wide because I have it rotated. So what I'm going to do instead and come back here. I'm
Sorry.
gonna finish.
I forgot to grab a beer.
Well, what the heck?
No.
There we go. So that's a little too wide.
They are out of Corona in Oklahoma, so I had to switch to Dos Equis.
All right, you said it was about 8, so I'm gonna go 8. I'll go.
It was. I'd go 9 or 8.5. I'd go 9 by 20.
Yeah, okay, that's about when I got it. I gotta go. Something's not quite right there, the lengthwise.
Yeah, make them a little bigger so if it gets puffy, they still fit.
Yeah, you learned about puffy batteries today, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
So now I've got it a little bit. It's almost there. It's a little bit wider, but looks like I need just a little bit more, maybe depth as well. I'm not quite deep enough,
It's okay.
so I'm gonna drop this down
I'm enjoying it.
a little deeper. I don't want to go too low because then I'd pop through.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay, now I'm starting to get where I want to be. All right, now I need to make it a little bit bigger, maybe, or a little bit longer.
Mm.
Okay. So now that's going to be bigger, and I took away kind of the nice rounding. I could actually put that back on if you want.
Leave room for a lipo-safe charge pouch. Here's the problem, Technia. Here's my pouch.
Yeah.
Here's my battery. Slight sizing problem.
Yeah.
Aren't you used to that?
Hang on.
So,
Where'd he go? Where'd you go? What happened? Did you have a technical
know.
issue or something?
I'm not supposed to make fun of you. I know. I'm sorry.
It's all
I
right.
might be a little too close.
Just do it.
Okay, we're going to go
You're
9.
allowed to until I get pissed off. Then I just do what I did.
And then
You still need more batteries to fill the pouch. That'd be a lot of 35Cs.
and I'm going to try to find the next one here.
Right.
It looks like it's a little south of 0. Oops. That was
Once you do those two, all you got to do is just rotate it.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I just got them. I'm basically just moving them around.
Mhm.
So I got to go lower.
All right.
Trying to go 20. Oh, close.
Oh, there you go. Nice.
A little bit more. 30. This is just a very rough hack.
When I'm
But
Phantom
it
battery.
works. I mean,
Here's the problem. Running on a Phantom battery this size, I might have a slight weight issue. Just a slight weight issue.
yeah. We'll call this battery.
This reminds me of Celestia and Battlefield.
Okay.
Let's see.
Oh, yeah.
That's roughly what it was. All right. I want to make sure. Yeah. I want to make sure I didn't go too low. Okay. I think I'm all right.
Yeah, Robbie.
Viking, your chair's on fire again.
Yeah. Oh no.
Now I'm just going to do the 2 on the other side. That should be all I need. Oop, and it's not quite symmetric, but it's pretty close. I got to back these up a little bit. So 45. Yeah, it's close. 44. Same thing here. All right, so those are done. Now I just got to do the other 2 or other 4. The
Appreciate it.
outside.
Oh, you killed me.
This thing's tiny. Should I fly it? I got to close the vent in the room, but I spent about $75, including extra batteries in the bag.
I gotta play 7.
Let's see.
Not terrible.
Plug it in. Plug it. Now time to go flying. Oh. Indoor flight.
Hey, I'm on your feet. Hey. Yes.
Some sound effects for you, Greg.
I hear it. I hear it going.
Oh yeah.
Get it there.
It's been a while since I had to print longer sticks for it because the tiny controllers, they're so sensitive.
Yeah.
Printed some 27 millimeter extensions, and my control's so much finer.
Nice.
Not compared to like anything high quality, but you know, that's next. I'm gonna save some money up after I get my next slice mosquito and buy something more, I don't know, fun.
This person.
So which model is that?
This is the Eachine E010.
Oh yeah, I think I had one of those at one point.
It's not bad for something I just want to fly indoors.
Yeah.
You know, it puts out a massive amount of air. I mean, they have to, but
Oh yeah, they do. All right, so I think I got this just about done. Got one more.
get to the bigger drones, and it's like insanity.
Oh yeah. Delta Silver.
The only downside is I'm in Colorado, which is, you know, we have lower air pressure, a mile above sea level.
Yeah.
You know, drones and air pressure, quite important. So even on the big high-end drones, you have flutter.
Yeah.
You'll fly around, do a maneuver, and the thing will flutter itself to the ground, touch the ground, and then take back off once it catches that pressure again. This one doesn't do too bad. Oof. John Mack is here. Big surprise. Didn't take him long enough.
I can't get this to match the display.
All right. Let's see how that looks.
Nice.
I keep getting
Technically, yes, it does affect it that much. It's surprising how much air pressure matters for drones.
I know, Mike.
Just like helicopters, you know. That's why my batteries last a lot less than someone at sea level. Maybe, 5 or 8% less, but it still ends up being something. Greg, I'll put my email in the private. And you can
Okay.
shoot me that if you wouldn't mind.
Yeah, I'm hoping it's gonna.
You want me to quit?
I should have tried this right away, but it may have too many facets. We may have to.
Well, I'll just pull it into STL. And
Yeah. Well, I might have. Well, in order for me to change it, I might have to reduce the. Yeah, it's not. Doesn't seem to. Oh no, it's going. Never mind. It's just taking my computer forever.
Right?
I thought I was gonna say I thought I checked it earlier and it was fine. So yeah, it's just taking forever.
No big deal.
Yeah, you said you'd send that in chat or something.
Yeah, it's in private.
Okay, cool.
Let's see.
You want the horrible?
All right, yeah, there it goes. Come on. And I'm gonna compare it. What I want to do is bring it into Simplify, and I'll bring in the old one, the original, and the new one to kind of look at it.
Right.
So that
Steven
way.
says, nice to see you, Greg. We talk on Twitter a lot.
Oh yeah, who's that saying that?
Lightspeed.
Oh, nice. Lightspeed, Steven, right?
Yep.
Mhm.
All right, so there's the original. Come on, baby. Yeah, this is a pretty fancy model. And this is a 6-year-old Mac at this point. So
Nice. What's mine? 8? Mine's an original Retina 15-inch
Yeah.
MacBook Pro. Like I
Okay.
ordered it the day they released it.
nice.
Replaced the battery, replaced the screen once because my wife kicked an iPad into it. And other than that, I mean, it's a great computer, but I would love to get something newer, but I'm not spending $3,000.
Well, I think I was talking to Llama on a stream the other day, and I think what I'm going to do is get a Mac, one of the
Mini.
little small
Well,
Mac Minis.
Yeah, little minis. Yeah.
Yeah, and then just maybe use like a cheap monitor at first, and then eventually upgrade. But I've got a 5K Mac right now. I got the first 5K 27-inch iMac. I love it, but it's
Yeah.
it's
I
hard to-
built a PC for the first time in 15 years, and I
Yeah.
love it. I loved I haven't done it in so long, and it was so satisfying when it all hooked up and it turned on the first time. You know, you have to go and try to hunt down wires and figure out why it didn't boot.
Yep.
Changed cases once, changed motherboards once, My next thing will be a motherboard and processor combo, getting up to the newer, higher generations.
Yeah.
But the problem is $500 later for
Yeah.
just the processor that I want.
That's nuts.
Well, but the AMD processors are kick ass right now.
Yeah, true.
You know?
Okay, there we go. We got
And
something.
then I've got to do a
Yeah. Looks like it did the job. So
Yep.
let me export that.
John is a 5K Mac.
Right now we're gonna pull it in. Oh, there we go.
There we go.
Here's the thing, Lightspeed. Mac is great for a lot of things, but there are some things, as much as I hate Windows, that Windows does well.
Yeah, those look a lot bigger.
Yeah.
I mean, I think it'll definitely work.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's a
Yeah.
pretty
Hopefully,
good case for a
loose, though.
cheap drone. Huh?
I said hopefully they're not too loose.
I'm not worried about it.
Yeah. All right. Let me make sure the depth. Yeah, depth looks pretty good too.
Good.
As long
I'll
as it's
pull
not
it in.
showing. Yeah.
Take a gander.
Where'd you go?
All right. I'll shoot the model over
Perfect.
and give it a shot. Yeah. Anyway, that's what I often do for remixing. It's really easy to
Right.
get in there and hack around in OpenSCAD.
Right. Here's the other issue, Lightspeed. Upgradability. Mac doesn't have it. If you want to upgrade, you buy a new computer.
Yeah.
Benefit of building your own
Yeah.
PC, you can upgrade separate components. Yes, Mac does work better because the components are programmed for those specific components, and that's why they work, and it lasts so long. That's why I have an 8-year-old MacBook Pro right here.
Yep.
But then you're stuck. I'm stuck with that. I can't upgrade it. I can't do anything. Everything's soldered to the board. Exactly, Mac. They soldered the RAM to the motherboard. So if you want to upgrade your Mac, get a better Mac, you have to upgrade the whole thing. Unless you buy a Mac Pro, which even now they're hard to upgrade. So yeah. So that's the biggest downside to Mac is price. But there are benefits to that price if you can afford that price. Not everyone can.
No.
And I certainly would not be able to afford a Mac. I would love to buy another Mac.
I actually bought earlier this year. I bought a MacBook Pro 2015, but it was like top of the line specs for that year. But it was the last one they made that's kind of more upgradable.
They have the refurb store, so
I just got mine on eBay, I think.
Right.
But it's been great. Yeah, I think I paid $700 for it.
Nice. And we lost him.
Lost Greg.
Yeah, he vanished. Just like my
Nice.
coworker does.
Favorite game?
Pro. And he's back.
Accidentally, I was getting
You
clicked.
You pulled a llama,
It's easy to do.
right?
Hey, how is Llama doing anyway? I heard he had some trouble. Have you guys
They
heard about
didn't really do anything for him in the hospital, so
that? Stinks.
they pretty much said, "Well, you don't have insurance. Off you go."
Hmm,
They were really.
that's
It's
terrible.
it's really disgusting.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Luckily, I live in Norway.
Right.
What game is that?
So,
Diablo 3.
Oh, sweet. I used to play the Diablo 2.
Oh yeah, 2. I played that many hours.
Yeah. Which what class are you there? Is it Necromancer?
No, it's the Demon Hunter.
Oh, Demon Hunter. Okay. Cool.
we'll see. I was trying to make him
Easy
big.
thing.
Hold on. Nope, didn't work. Oh well. Let's see if I put together what I would want if I go full spec on a brand new 16-inch MacBook Pro. Just because why not? Go full high-end spec with all their
Hey, you don't want to know.
$6,700. That's with an 8 terabyte solid state.
It's insane.
Well, there's everything's so freaking expensive. I mean, I do the 1 terabyte. The graphics card's pretty important.
Yeah.
I mean, even the base model, if I go base, I'm still at $2,800. Yeah.
Seems like they're getting more expensive than they used to be.
Oh yeah.
What you get.
Yeah, back when I mean, it's about what I spent for mine, but it's really expensive. I mean, I could buy a MacBook Air.
Yep.
And those are, I mean, that's probably what I would buy if I bought anything. Buy a base MacBook Air for a little bit. Mac Pro, fancy monitor.
My turn.
Well, Techniac chip swap. Wow. That's ridiculous. Oh, hey,
Right.
man.
So,
Yeah.
Looks like you got it connected now.
yes, I do. So this is a video I found, but it's, as you see here, it's for 3.11.
Yeah.
So not everything lines up to what I've got here.
Yep.
I notice in the video, he's got the left side of the rates at 0 dead. I don't. And I matched his values as best as I can.
Well, yeah. So the rates, I don't know. You probably don't want to do a whole lot. I would probably leave it, honestly.
And I did grab what was on it before I flashed it.
Is your your drone shouldn't be spinning around like that? I wonder if your channels are all set up properly.
So when I'm over here, no,
Very nice.
where was I? Was it bit tuning? No.
That's a lot
Somewhere.
for
Go to receiver. I wanted to see what's okay. So you got
Well, the receiver's not on.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's why. All right. Never mind.
Yeah, here.
Hmm.
Okay, receiver's turning on now.
Yeah, that's probably fine.
Give it
Just
a
if I,
moment. There we go.
if I fully load a Mac Mini,
There you go. That looks fine.
and
So I
Yeah.
do know I need to get these to 1,000 and 2,000
Yeah.
somehow. And that's on the receiver itself, or the radio itself.
Yeah, you can do that. Actually, you can change it here.
Okay.
You can do so where it says stick low threshold.
Yep.
Just put 1009 because that's basically where you're at. And then stick center, put your throttle mid center and see where it's at.
Trying.
It's probably about 50. Yeah, that's fine. Just leave it. I just leave it.
Okay.
And then go all the way up. Okay. So you can change that to 2000. You don't have to do all the way. That's fine. You can. And then just save it. And do that. Yeah, throttle's really the only one you need to worry about.
Well, except for I'm spinning because of it too, I think.
right.
So yeah, it'll.
So 1,009.
Yeah. Yeah, just do that. Just repeat that for each one if you want.
How do I get to the other ones, or does it automatically change? No, it didn't.
Who's making noise
Oh.
in the background?
Oh.
What happened?
Not me.
Actually, no, you don't have. Actually, no, you don't need to do that. That should. You did save, right? You hit save. Yeah, it should be the same.
And it's like, does this have an RSSI channel? I don't know.
No, I don't think it does. Not that one. Go to. Let me see your. Go to setup. Or go. I'm sorry. Go to configuration. Yeah, that looks. See that looks good there. It's Oh, yeah. That you didn't change anything on any of this, did you?
Some, yes. I'm trying to remember what now.
Probably the PWM frequency.
Yeah, I believe that had to be at 360. Hang on, I got to remember which browser that's on.
Yeah, that's just it's
This one? No.
it's not. That's more. It just affects the sound of the of.
This one.
No.
Yeah.
This one said to set it to S bus.
Yep.
That's Fly Sky. There we
Yeah.
are.
I think,
And
I think it is a Fly Sky Radiant or a Fly Sky. Well, you already figured that out, so you're
yeah,
good.
it is definitely a Fly Sky.
Yeah.
Here it is. PWM rate to
Don't look at me
1,000.
like that.
Yeah. Okay.
My
So
lips are weird.
that's this, right?
That's the frequency. I don't remember if that's the same thing. I think it is. Yeah. I don't remember now because it's been a. I would do it from the command line like that
Okay.
and see if it changes it.
So
Set.
set space motor. Sorry, my memory sucks right now.
Yeah, that's all right. Underscore PWM underscore rate. There you go. Oh, the IntelliSense is working. And then equals 1,000. And then hit save. Yeah. Okay, now hit save. Type save. And then it should disconnect you. Now go back to.
I gotta wait for it to boot back up.
Yep. And then
Yeah,
hit,
this one doesn't say telemetry lost when it disconnects.
no, because it's the Fly Sky. It's using a Fly Sky protocol instead of the Taranis. I don't think it has telemetry on Fly Sky. Now go to configuration, and then check that it's okay. Yeah, it was the same. I wasn't sure. All right. Yeah, I think you're probably good. You might want to change craft name.
Change what?
The craft name.
I already did.
Oh, you did. Okay, cool. Oh yeah, I see it. Cool. Yeah, I'd say you're ready to. Oh, you got PPM RX. Yeah, your receiver's good because it's working.
Yeah, I made sure to set that.
I think you're fine.
This is why I thought I had RSSI.
Oh no.
So this drone doesn't have OSD?
I don't think it does. No.
Okay.
No. This one's older. This is like probably 3-year-old technology, which is
2015.
Oh, it's 5-year-old. Oh, it's even
Uh-huh.
older than that. Wow. Is it that old? Jeez. Anyway, it'll still fly, which that's all you care about.
Yep.
Good practice drone.
All right.
Yeah, I would just leave everything else alone.
Well, and I still need to set up the modes. The only one I've got set up is ARM.
That's yeah, and then do I would do horizon or I do angle. I don't think you need to bother with horizon. I don't think it can flip. So just do add range and then probably do just do it the same as your aux1, what you have there. So whenever it's armed, it'll be in angle mode. Or if you want to do acro, you could.
To start, I should probably stick with angle.
Yeah, well, move that slider all the way.
That way?
Yeah. Yep. That way, when you arm it, it'll work. Or you can make it the whole range too, but I would just do that.
Oh, yeah, because I'm disarmed now.
Yep.
That would be armed, and that in turn kicks on angle. Okay.
Yep. That's all you really need.
Let's do this.
I thought about doing the pre-arm, but with this drone, since I've got the ducks on it, I'm not too worried about it.
Yeah, you're not going to kill anything.
Okay. Save.
Where?
Disconnect. Stop sharing. Well, let's see what happens when I plug the battery in.
Does it blow up or what?
If you can hover it.
Oh, I don't think I can because I know some of the blades are hitting the duct.
Oh, that's right. You said you had to raise the props. You know, I think I might have made some props or prop risers. I can't remember if I did or not.
Yeah, I found the STL.
Okay, cool.
Apparently, most people just use a piece of Captain tape or whatever you call that.
Do you salute the tape when you use it? I had to. You led me for that one.
It's funny.
What?
No, that's punny.
Where's Brian Vines when you need him?
Right. I am.
Okay.
My puns. That's
Let's
for
wait
sure.
for the dogs to go insane.
3. That's you.
So, nope, nothing.
Nothing.
It armed. I watched one motor spin for a second, and then it stopped.
Oh no.
It's trying. Yep, no go.
Oh, I wonder if is the battery charged?
Yep, I charged it.
Huh. Well, that's not good.
Apologize for the loud beep that's about to happen here in about 10 seconds.
I bound the wrong channel.
Oh, geez.
Don't do that.
Oh, I hear something flying.
Something's alive.
Yeah, but it ain't flying.
Wait.
What was it doing?
It's moving around on my desk, but no lift.
No lift. Ooh.
Yep. All right, I'll play with it later. It's getting late here.
Yeah.
So something to look at tomorrow.
Yeah, there you go. Hey, at least it's moving around.
Oh, and it was a pain to figure out how to set the stupid controller modes.
Oh, I bet.
Because Fly Sky is not
Yeah. It's a little different.
normal anymore, apparently.
Yeah, no.
Fly Sky's like the budget, but actually a lot of people like the protocol.
Yeah. Well, I thought about playing with the black drone, too, because I know that one is a FR Sky, if I remember correctly.
Yes, that one I know for sure flies because I used to. That was one of the first tiny.
Except for it's missing a motor.
Yeah, but there were.
You put another pack in here. I see.
Okay, good. Yeah, I was gonna say, but I knew there were a few things I thought I put in there that I didn't. So.
Hey, Night
But-
Train, what's up?
And by the way, now that it's, everybody else, thank you so much. As I said, Wednesday I will be going through the box of goodies on stream.
That's cool. I'm just glad somebody could use it, so might as well have been you.
Well, and, just playing with this little yellow one has taught me quite a bit because I've never used Betaflight before.
Yeah.
Where did that go? There it is.
I do like the camera on it, though. The antenna's cute.
Yeah, those cameras are good on those things. I've pulled a few off of those and saved them. You can reuse them on just about anything. They're decent quality.
And I still have to figure out how to use the charger fully. So that reminds me, when storing lipos, charged or discharged?
3.8. I usually will discharge them till they're about 3.8 or charge them.
What about
Usually-
these?
Yeah, anything, any kind of lipo.
Well, I have no way to measure that, though.
Well, yeah, you can get. Actually, let me get it. I thought I sent Zolan one, but I forgot. Let me show you what I do.
As is, I got to go find my radio bin so I can pull out my DC switching power supply.
Mhm.
So I just bought a whole stack of these. I have like 20 of them, but I buy them at the hobby shows, and they're low voltage alarms. So back in the day, before RSSI and all that, you would put one of these on your pack, and then it would start beeping once it got below 3.5 volts per cell. So then what you do is you just plug it in. Hopefully you can see that.
Yeah,
Oops.
kind of.
Make sure I plug it into the right. Oh, hang on. Wrong end. Got to be smarter than the connector. There we go.
Ow.
Yeah, it's
That
kind of
hurt.
raw, but it'll tell you. So this is a 2-cell battery. So 3.8 and 3.8. That's what you want. So, and then what you do is you just plug it into the balance connector. And if you don't have a balance connector, you can also just plug it into the.
That's something I could do with with one of these tiny little.
Yeah, I can't.
Hold on. Let me get a background for you. Hold on. Not even a 1 cell. I don't think it's tiny.
Yeah, I think it would work on that. Yeah, I've got a similar one. Hang on.
Tiny itty bitty battery.
You're a great driver, Caitlin. Wow.
There's a battery somewhere.
Wow. Driving school?
So here's a similar one. It's more of the long style, but it's got the same little JST PH connector. So you just I'll do that on here.
Watch headphone warning.
Yeah, sorry. Let me
Yep.
just make sure I line this up
I'll
properly.
wait for it, and I'll just mute you when you plug it in.
I covered.
Okay.
Yeah, you can, as long as you can fit the pins in, it'll work.
Okay.
So this one's a little higher.
And how
Oh,
do you just run them on the drone to drain them, or?
No, well, a lot of the battery chargers will have a discharge mode. There's a couple ways
This
you
thing
can,
doesn't.
yeah. And if it doesn't, yeah, just run them on the drone, or you can actually buy a LiPo discharger or even build one. All
Yeah,
it is,
I don't think this little thing has a discharge function.
probably
It
not.
might.
Yeah. But you can also get like a little discharge circuit and just put like a light bulb on it. A lot of people do that. You can buy one for, I don't know, $25-$30.
Yeah.
But I
Well,
usually
if I go for it.
But you do want to do that because if you don't take care of your batteries, eventually they'll puff. And actually, let me show you a couple examples of that because Olin was asking me that.
Yeah, because one of the ones he sent me is puffed a little bit.
You okay? Oh, yeah, something like that. What?
All right, so I got my ammo can, which is where I store all my puffers.
Good choice.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to move my ammo around again until I can get another one.
This one isn't bad, but it's got a little bit. Actually, this one didn't really puff so much as it has a kind of a nick,
Mm-hmm.
and I was worried. It's got a couple nicks from propeller shot.
Yeah.
This one came out of my old MacBook. So
Oh
these
yeah,
Yeah, I've got a
18%
couple of those.
but these are a different type of battery.
Yeah, the old MacBook replacement ones, the
Yep.
pre-retinas that you would have to replace the battery every year.
Yeah. Oh, here's one. This one's kind of puffy. Yeah, it's hard to tell on camera, but you can kind of see,
Oh, yeah. Yep.
and there's like a flex to it.
Yeah.
So you
okay,
can-
that's actually what this one's doing.
Yeah.
So you're saying I should go put this, move it from my lipo guard case to my actual ammo can?
No, I'm super conservative. I don't have a really bad battery that I could show you because most of them. But if it's just barely puffy, some people will still charge those.
Oh, I know Marcel would still run it.
I mean, I've charged them, and I think you don't want to leave them unattended,
Mhm.
but it's never a good idea to leave things unattended anyway when you're charging like this. But I usually, I'll be home, but I might go in another room. But if they're puffy, I don't leave the room. So yeah, you're probably okay. Yeah, do you want to show that one on screen? Oh, sweet. Yeah, that Radio Master TX16 is really nice. Oh, nice.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I was
Yeah.
just telling him I might have bought too much radio for somebody who's so new.
Yeah, but already you're finding a use because you didn't have to buy a FlySky radio to fly that drone.
Exactly.
So
And I've got another FR Sky one here, but that's basically my backup remote now.
Mhm.
I've got about 8 different radios right now. So and at least 3 of them are over $300.
Yeah,
So
no.
Not
I
bad.
have one radio to rule them all.
Yeah, the nice thing, the only bad thing about the Radio Master, and it's not really bad, you just have to know what to do. But you have to, since it's a multi-protocol module, they don't have it tuned to any one particular frequency. So within the menu, what you do is you go through there and you test the RSSI or the signal strength, and then you can adjust. There's it goes from -50 to 50, and then what I did is I walked across the other side of my basement, and then I just monitored the RSSI, and then I set it to that. And I think my value is like a -16 for the best strength, because otherwise it'll be decent, but it won't be quite as good as the authentic, like Vertranis or FreeSky.
Okay.
But they're really nice radios, and I can't wait for the touchscreen to come out.
Yeah, 2.4.
Yeah,
Nice.
They keep
And then
promising
now-
it'll work in 2.4.
and since it has the JR bay, you can put in the either the Crossfire or the
new Ghost.
Yeah, the Ghost, which I'm so excited about. I just pre-ordered that, but
Yep.
it's up to
Same.
10 kilometers. It's crazy. Which your video signal will go out long before that, unless you're flying DJI. Which,
Actually, they said that they are working on a Ghost module for the Orca and for the DJI.
yeah. Well,
So you
but
could-
that's just
Because They were
OSP.
actually saying that they could get up to 40 kilometers, but at 10 kilometers is when their video was dropping out.
Yeah. Okay.
Now, mind you, I don't even need to go a mile.
Yeah. I mean, I'd just be happy to fly around my house without getting a signal drop, because I get that right now with FreeSky sometimes.
Yeah. Whereas me, you know, I want to fly around my own 7.5 acres.
Yeah, you got a lot more room.
And if I can get permission from the rancher behind me, maybe over his fields.
Yeah, that's cool.
Which actually is like something like 600 acres.
Jeez.
That's huge.
So I could go exploring. No, 10 kilometers on the VTX. I don't know what they were running, though.
Probably the DJI is my guess. Either that or maybe some, I don't know, something. I don't even think DJI goes that far. I think it's like 5.
Yeah, they said they got 40 kilometers on the actual radio and 10 on the VTX with what they're working on.
Yeah, it's really the VTX is the, you know, now,
limiter.
The limiter, yeah. And plus that's on a 5.8 gigahertz, which, you know, physics, right? I mean, not going to go quite as far.
I think that's part of it, though, is they're not running, they're running video on a different frequency. It's not 5.8.
Yeah, right. I think you're right. I think they are with their setup. And I know on the radio, though, they're using 2.4, but they're...
Yes, 2.4 LoRa spread spectrum.
Right, it's the spread spectrum that's giving them that. And it's a pretty wide band.
And they're running at 76 hertz width.
Yep. Yeah.
See, now we're talking about stuff I know.
Yep.
Wait, you know things? Had to throw it back at you once in a while, right?
Well, I expect you not to understand that, so it's okay.
That's no problem.
But yeah, anyways, it's 10 till 9. I got to get going.
I'm probably cut out here in about 10 minutes, so.
Oh,
Be
and
a
Viking's done
wife.
playing his game. Or at least he's done making it on the screen.
Right?
Yeah.
I have Diablo 3, but I haven't played it in a long time. I actually just updated Elite Dangerous.
Yeah, I had that too. I haven't played it that much yet.
I'm waiting for Odyssey because that expansion adds planet, not landings, actually getting out and walking around.
Oh, cool. That's nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, well, you all take care. I'll talk to you all tomorrow, probably.
See you guys next time. Don't
I got an 8-hour WebEx to run tomorrow.
Oof.
Ooh,
Oh,
lovely.
Don't hurt yourself.
Look.
Right?
And Greg, thank you again.
Yeah, no problem.
I lost the window.
It's all good. It happens.
There it is. All right.
See ya. Oh my god. Stretch. Yeah, so I guess they're hanging out in Discord now. Some of these guys. An FDM Lounge Discord video chat, which means the YouTube stuff's probably going to die off.
yeah.
Which I don't want to go in there and scare everyone away, so that's pretty much what I do. Because I'm kind of a jerk, so.
I know.
Which it's my own fault, but you know, not the end of the world. Not yet, at least. We got a few more months before that happens.
Yeah, maybe.
Right?
It's possible.
It is plausible.
I saw a tweet today about somebody wanting to celebrate 2021 already.
Oh, I want to.
Let's get this over with.
Right? Yeah, but what's to say 2021 is going to be any better?
I know.
It's just, when this all started, it was like a daily nightmare. Something would happen every day to make this worse, shutdowns and blah, blah,
Yep.
blah. And then, people got laid off at my work one week, and then the next week, all of our salespeople got furloughed. It was just like, it was disastrous. It was the worst feeling, losing coworkers, just because, and then,
Yeah.
Everything calmed down for a little bit, for about a month, and then it's torn back. And as much as I hate to say it, we need another lockdown. We need another month shutdown, but I don't think our economy could handle it. But
Yeah.
screw the economy. Let's save lives. The
Yeah.
economy's going to be screwed either way in 2 years.
Yeah.
In
That's a hard
year.
one.
Okay.
Hey, Tanny.
What? It's.
Yeah, it's going to be
Why is your face like that?
interesting. You know, they've already, for Colorado, they shut down nightclubs and bars that don't serve food. And then they made it a 10 o'clock close. So if they're enforcing it, which they are, they're actually going in and shutting them down at 10:01, like saying get out. You know. So it's I hate being part of history.
Try login.
Yeah.
It's so much history. You know.
Okay.
Sorry, Tanner. I thought you were tanning. I get everyone mixed up because there's so many people. Yeah, everyone's hanging out in the FDM lounge, which
In
is
chat
fine.
or video chat?
The
chat?
video, there's if you look at the Discord, there's Monkey, Jackal, Buttram, some other guy, Mac, and Carnes. They're
I
all
can
up
see it.
there.
Can't see any video.
Huh.
Only see the chat.
Yeah, it's up there. General audio video chat up top, above general discussions.
Oh yeah, there.
Yeah, you should
Yeah.
go in and see what they're doing. Sneaky.
Mhm.
And now Mike Castle's up there. Huh.
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna start losing people. Oh well.
So the party
I
is
mean,
moved.
it seems like it.
No.
Yet we still have 13 lurkers watching. Who's lurking? I bet Mr. Randolph's in the lurking. No, he's running filament this week, so. Yeah, so. It's only Monday. When's Friday happening?
Probably on Friday.
Right. The problem is the week's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday are slow. Friday, Saturday, Sunday are like snap of the finger.
Yeah.
Seems like it.
And it's just like my weekends just fly by, and it's annoying. Damn being grown up stuff. You know.
Yeah.
So, well, for all of y'all out there in YouTube land, not in Discord land, because everyone's over there, so I'm gonna have to go over there for 5 or 10 minutes, maybe not.
Yeah.
Warning,
it out, too.
warning. You know, have fun. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for stopping by, Greg. And
Yeah, my pleasure. Good
we'll see
stream.
you guys when we see you
Talk to you
later, everyone.
later.
Maybe guys.